I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the medium that fits your life, paper or digital, and committing to a tiny goal. Once chosen, prepare your tools: pen, timer, quiet corner. Start with a short prompt: what happened today, what you felt, one lesson. Set the timer for 10 minutes and write without editing. The point is momentum. You'll build habit before style. Make sure to date each entry so you can track progress and spot patterns later. Once you have momentum, structure makes entries useful. Divide each entry into facts, feelings, and a takeaway. This keeps you balanced and reflective. Add a date, short tags, or keywords so you can find themes later. Searchability matters with digital files. Alternate prompts across sessions: gratitude one day, a problem-solve session the next, then an idea sprint. Make sure to review past tags weekly to connect dots. Keep pacing varied. To finish each session, write one actionable step or lesson you can try soon. This converts reflection into change. Once a week, schedule a 15-minute review to scan entries, update tags, and note trends or recurring problems. If you ever feel stuck, do a 5-minute free write. No rules, just flow that breaks blocks. If entries become sparse, lower the friction. Shorter sessions, easier prompts. And if you can't find old notes, check tags and file names. Organized labels prevent that problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.